So a long time ago, I actually went and bought a Native American cookbook because I thought it'd be really cool, especially with this off-grid little place I have in northern Arizona, to see what the actual original native cuisine was. And it turns out it's boring and terrible because there's really nothing that grows up there that you want to eat much. So I gave that up a long time ago. However, what was interesting is we recently took some friends who were visiting up to visit an old Pueblo ruin, actually Casa Malpais up in Springerville, Arizona. And one of the things that our guide told us was that one of the things that they ate there was saltbush, which is this thing. It's just kind of a scrubby weed bush that grows around kind of everywhere. And in the fall, the leaves, what look like leaves, are actually seeds, and they dry up on the stalks, and they're everywhere. And apparently you can take this stuff and pull the leaves off like this. It's nice and dry, and you can cook it up kind of like oatmeal. And apparently it's edible. And I had no idea. And there's a lot of this stuff around. And I was really curious, what does that actually work? How terrible does that taste? So we brought some back home, and we're going to give it a try. So we're going to do this pretty much like oatmeal, I think, with some dried saltbush leaf thing seeds. With kind of a random estimated amount of water. If you taste just the dried leaves, it's interesting. They are actually a little salty to the taste. Kind of really is thickening up, isn't it? It's like high desert oatmeal. And the good news is, regardless of how good or bad this is, it's all been used now, so I won't have to do it again. You want to put a lid on it and let it simmer for a few minutes? All right, should I get a spoon and try it? Help! Turn down the heat. I'll just try it off this. Oh God! He keeps failing over. All right. That's terrible. It tastes like the hot, mushy, dried leaves. That's not good at all. Just the broth, just the water. No. No, thank you. Modern farming is excellent so that we don't have to subsist on